Hey everybody, I'm Shonda, speaker, corporate trainer, and empowerment coach. You are on assignment. As a leader, always remember you're on assignment in your industry, in your family, and really during the time you're here on this earth. And while you're on assignment, it's very important that as challenges comes your way to not respond from your emotions. Sometimes as a leader, we just got to keep our mouth shut. The initial shock of a situation has shook me and caught me off guard. I had to learn that during those times of difficulty to carefully separate myself from the initial emotion that I was experiencing so that I can make the decisions that I needed to make and take the actions that I had to take to bring about a resolution. Being able to override your feelings is self-control and an attribute of a great leader. Please hear me. You are on assignment.